Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. AliShanMao here. Right next to me, this little dude sitting on an awesome RC dirt bike is ready to get some bashing here today, off-roading in the desert as well. This is a ZD Racing Phantom 400 RC dirt bike, and this one is running a brushless motor setup. It's running a 3S battery. Previously you have watched my videos of similar bike, which was Sky RC SR4 and Sky RC SR5. Those were amazing, nice bikes. I simply loved them. They were durable, they were tough, and they were fun. Super fun bikes. Now this is the ZD Racing, which is gonna compete with the Sky RC bike, and we're gonna see how good this one is. This one is also running a gyro in the rear wheel right here, so it's gonna be very, very stable. However, the gyro last night, when I tested last night, the gyro makes a sound like P-51, the Second World War warbird, is gonna take off. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Anyway, we'll see how it behaves. So this is running a brushless motor, is running a brushless ESC, a 3S battery setup. Previously Sky RC was running only 2S battery. However, that was capable of taking 3S batteries, and whenever you put a 3S battery in, that was a different animal. So this one already running on a 3S battery, which is a kind of small battery. There's nothing written on it, and I hope that battery will give me at least enough fun and playtime. Now last night I was gluing the tires as well. When the bike came, the tires were not glued. This ESC is just hanging out. I tried to stick it again, but it doesn't stick properly. You have to use some Gorilla tape or some kind of Gorilla glue on that. But apart from that, gyro and everything is working. The bike works perfectly, and it shows tremendous power in it. So we'll see how good this bike is, how fast this bike is, how much fun this bike is, and how durable this bike is. Can it take all the bashing like the Sky RC used to take? Actually, Sky RC bike took some serious beating and abuse as well. So we'll see how well this goes. Overall, if you look at it, it looks like a very nice and tough build. This plastic, the plastic parts look very, very tough. Very long front fork and shocks right here. Overall, the bike look is very, very nice. Now, the other thing that I like about this bike is that now the guy here has joints on the knees right here and near the hips right here. So it has some joints right now. Looking badass. Anyway, are you ready for some bashing? Seems like. Okay, before we go ahead, this is still hanging around. You can see ESC is just hanging like this. I have no idea how to stick it. I tried different types of tape. It just comes off again and again. All right, and on the rear, there's a shock down there. There's a shock down there. There's a very authentic and nice chain system running on this bike. All right, and a main gear connecting to the motor. Seems like the gear mesh is fine at the moment. The battery compartment is very, very easy to open, and battery is very easy to accessible or replace. All right, now let's come to the radio. It's a standard radio from ZD Racing. The things are already very, very loose, the knobs and everything. But anyway, if it is working, it is working. We'll turn the radio on and power on the bike. Check out, the P-51 is starting. Okay, I'm gonna go back a little bit if it explodes, you know. Alright. Ooh, check it out, it doesn't want to fall. Alright, here we go. Okay. Okay. All right, one moment. Looks like the gyro is just too much. Okay, steering. Nah, it doesn't want to do anything. let's try again. Oh! It seems like the gyro is working in the wrong direction. I'm gonna turn off the gyro, which you can just by taking apart this cable here. Woo! Ah! What a disappointment. Just now you saw I have reversed the gyro cables, okay, which are right here. Swap them and the gyro is running the other way and the biker is perfect. Oh my god, there's lots of effect now. Alright, so here we go. Sweet. At least it's driving now. Okay, I have to set the servo, I believe, because it just turns at one side. Okay, we are all set. Uh-oh, one thing came off. Let me just add it again. Wait, I will add it, but first let me have some wheelies. Seems to be driving fine. Oh, nice brakes, dude. Alright, come here. Nice, dude, and drifting, dude. That was nice drifting. Drives very nice at slow speeds. Ah, I killed my the back. Oh. Okay, that was its first sand. Let him hit some sand here. Oh! The sand is too soft here. Look how he's dug in. The sand is too soft here. Uh-oh! The whole bars are coming out. Everything is getting loose. Uh-oh! Oh no, this is not good. The vibration on the gyro is just killing. But it's good that it can clean the sand as well. Look, these parts are falling down. So I'll just remove them completely. Ah, vibration can bring all the sand out. Let me just remove this thing completely. And drive it without this. Oh, there goes another one. Other two came out. How many things are falling apart? I have no idea. And how many more will fall apart? Alright. Oh man, how many are these? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, looks like the whole bike is falling apart. Check this out. Check this out. The whole bike is gone because of the vibrations. Oh my goodness, the whole chassis has come off. Okay, now it could have been good only if I go ahead and spend some time by adding all these falling parts back in, add a lot of thread lock, maybe the permanent one, and bring it back for bashing again, and then we will see if it is any good. Holy shit! What is that? Alright, it's ready, and here we go. It's running a 3S setup, so it pulls wheelies really nice. The Sky RC dirt bike was running 2-cell setup, but was able to take 3-cell, and after 3-cell it was pulling wheelies. But this bike comes in a 3S setup, so pulls wheelies just like that. It's pretty stable actually. I mean, gyro really works nice, but it's, honestly speaking, I feel it's just not as good as the Sky RC bike used to be. I ruined its back completely. Oh, I don't know what we are doing, stoppies or wheelies, I have no idea. That's like nice stunt there. I ruined the back of the bike already. Don't let me go to the dune again. Yeah, we did it, man. That was nice. I think I can do this stunt once again. So last time it fell apart because there was no, thread lock ever. And it just fell apart. Uh-oh, I got stuck. Oh, soft sand, that's why. Look at my foot, they just go inside. Man, this is a sand trap here. Okay, hard sand. Nice, that was nice. Hey rider, please sit nicely. You're sitting way too forward. This time the rider is even like, has joints on it. I'm sitting in a camel poop. Nice, it has good performance actually, not bad. Uh-oh, we are going to the soft sand again. This time I'll just keep driving it. Come on, you can do it! Ah! Whoa, this is a sand trap, man. Look at my foot going like bearing inside until my... That's why, it's not the bike's fault. Keep driving. This is the off-road performance. I'm hearing some strange sounds. Ah, back to the road, yes. I killed the poop, camel poop. got it stuck again. Totally ran out of battery. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay updated for all the new uploads. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with friends.